Hey friends, welcome back to Dollar and Cents, where we talk smart money moves that actually work. Today we are dividing into something that sounds crazy but it's 100% possible. How to save $10,000 in just a month. First thing, you have to believe it's possible. Most people don't save $10,000 in a year because they have confidence that they can't. But what if you thought it like a business, like your money had a mission? Saving $10,000 in a month is not about cutting your basic needs, it's all about strategy and execution. Let's break it down into simple words. Here is what $10,000 in a month look like. That's around $300 per day or $1,600 per week. Seems impossible? Let's divide and conquer it. Eliminate all non-essential things for 30 days. No shipping and no shopping unless it's food or a bill. No subscription of Netflix or any other subscription from other platforms. Eat from home, make coffee and skip the Uber cabs. For example, just cutting $20 a day will take you around $600 a month, and cutting all those 5 subscriptions would make you around $100 to save, and it's around $700 uplifting without lifting your finger. Sell your old phones, cameras, clothes which you don't even need. You can use Facebook Marketplace, OfferUps or eBay platforms. From selling these things you could make around $500 to $1,500 in just 7 days. This is where the magic happens. Let's create a new income stream just for a month. You can do freelancing on the Fiverr or the Upwork app, like writing, designing or the voiceovers. You can also rent your space just like the Airbnb. You can rent your home, your bedroom or your wardrobe. You don't have to do them all, just pick any two and commit them for 30 days. For example, DoorDash 5 days in a week would make you around $500 to $800 in a week. And by doing freelancing you could even make $500, or that's around $2,000 extra in a month. So to track all these things you could use Google Sheets for the free and apps like YNAB, Mint or Notion Tracks. By using these you can track even a single dollar in and a single dollar out, also a weekly total. So this challenge is not forever. The goal is not to live broke for your lives, it's to prove yourself and you can save aggressively when you need. After this month, build an emergency fund, pay off all your high interesting debts and start investing. Or use this $10,000 as a seed to make it a business. Now whatever you do with this money, don't go back to the normal life. You just unlocked a superpower. Now you use it to build your wealth for good. So are you ready to save $10,000 this month?